Hello and welcome. I'm on the lot and I have maybe the oldest car I've ever seen. This is what I think is about a 1947 Chevy Fleetline sedan. If I'm wrong, somebody can tell me that. I'm probably close, I think. These are common to have a 350 swap in them, but it came with a 235 inline straight six, which is 3.5 liters at 90 horsepower. Sweet, under all that big hood. Isn't that great? Huh. That would have been a big deal then. All of them had this split window. This one, of course, needs a little bit of restoration. I don't even know if this piece came with it. Maybe. I will tell you, I've never seen one. We'll get around the other side here and see what we can do. I like the vice grip. That's pretty good. Now look, considering how old this thing is, it's not in bad shape. Alright, there's not that much rust on it, and it can all be fixed. Parts can be gotten. No problem. I like the look of it. I do like it. We can re-chrome this. I mean, yeah, it needs some work. We'll give you that. Antenna, nice. I don't think it had a radio in it to get to start with. Pretty sweet. I mean, I don't even know what to say. It must have door poppers. I mean, how else would you get in it? There's no handles. It's shaved. And check out the steering wheel. Look at that. There's your steering wheel right there. Single gauge. I think that puts this in the late 40s, right? Yeah, I am right. It's a Fleetline. All right. So, 10 was the last year. It was, see, glass. You can have glass. All this stuff can be done. There's your air conditioning. You pop that up and get air inside the thing. It's still not in terrible shape, okay? It just isn't. It just is not in bad shape. You know, there's a lot of parts on it that you can't otherwise get, right? These chrome parts and that. I'd re-chrome them. I don't know where else you'd get them. So, 47, I think around a 47 or so, late 40s. Post-war, right? Chevy Fleetline, pretty good. Certainly never seen one in person, and I don't know if this one even runs. Probably because it wasn't here last week. I go by here a lot, and I haven't seen it. So there you go, the Chevy Fleetline, 90 horsepower new, although we could certainly upgrade that. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon on the lot.